Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's video is a confession video. I cannot believe that I'm about to tell you something. Let's find out what I have done. I'm ashamed of myself. Okay. Oof, I don't know why it's so dramatic. Okay, so you guys know that I'm a really huge fan of Louis Vuitton, and for a lot of reasons, and there's a lot of love, there's a lot of annoying part with them, but overall speaking, I keep purchase Louis Vuitton. And this one thing I don't think I ever really share with you guys. A part of the pricing and then the limited edition, there's one thing that it really troubled me is, hear me right, okay, don't get upset with me. If I bought something full price and then it went on sale after 4 months later on the sale rack or on the outlet, that really pissed me off. Did anybody feel that way sometimes? It's like, then why should I buy a full price? I could have waited for the sales. But of course, a salesperson may tell you that, well, you never guarantee that it's going to be on sale, so you might as well get it now. There's nothing is that important you need to get it. You can always wait. So it really bothers me that knowing the designer will go on sale or they even have an outlet. And I just want to say real quick here, there's nothing wrong with an outlet store. I love shopping at outlet. Personally, like I said in my previous video buying Louis Vuitton, every piece that I purchase, to me, it's investments. And if I do want to resell them, I want to have a really good resale value. That's how I purchase bag, right? That's my philosophy. So it's really hard for me to purchase an item from the designer that goes on sale or they have an outlet store. But today, I need to slap myself for that. I bought something that knowing that they may go on sale, but I still bought it. But there's a lot of reason behind that. And I know you probably wonder, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I'm talking about Doraemon! Wait, anybody know who is this? There's more drama behind this. Number one, I want to share with you how I feel about the collaboration. And number two, I want to show you what is available that you can purchase if you like it. I truly feel like it's always great to collaborate, right? You join the two powerful house together, create something more amazing. But I found lately a lot of collaboration is like, look, this is my designer, and then they just slap something on top and call it collaboration, including Louis Vuitton. I just feel like that designer, it's being kind of lazy. They make a lot of money and they're just being lazy. They run out of idea, come on. So they just collaborate and just slap it on. And I think the worst thing that they can do for collaboration is a cartoon character collaboration. The reason why is, generally speaking, cartoon character, doesn't matter if it's Mickey Mouse or the Japanese cartoon like Totoro or Doraemon, they have their own merchant. And their merchant is not that expensive. So their merchant is probably like $20, but now you're selling with Doraemon's face on your shirt, you're gonna sell over $1,000. That is crazy. That is really, really crazy. Anyway, so I don't despise designer collaborate, but it's like, come on, be creative, you know? I mean, to me, if I'm gonna collaborate with this character, right, I wouldn't just slap his face on here. I probably use the elements of a Doraemon. For example, the little ring, ring bell right here, right? Or maybe you put a red stripe and the ring bell right here. You get essence of the character, and then you put in your merchant. To me, you put a face on the product, that's just being lazy. I'm sorry. That is so lazy. I hate that. If anybody agree with me, you let me know. Don't you think that's just lazy of a designer? And then I think it's ridiculous. Okay, so let's get started and see. Type in Gucci.com. And immediately you get to the landing page right here. You want to go to what's new and you want to find Doraemon and Gucci. So Doraemon is a Japanese cartoon character that basically it was this guy who was in 2112, and he had a very sad childhood. So he sent his machine cap back into when he was a little boy to help him to be popular. And Doraemon has a magic pocket with all kind of gadget. So that's the overall storyline. You can see there's different versions right here. There's a sweatshirt with a Doraemon face, Doraemon handbag. But you see, they just slap his face on the bag, on the clothing. Come on, be creative. It's so annoying. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, what is this? Bowling shirt. Let's take a closer look. $1,250 for that? And they don't even have my size. What the hell? I wear 44 in case you want to know that. I think this shirt is cute with a classy intertwined jeans, Gucci, and the iconic color brown, but mixed with the Doraemon. I do like this one a little bit because Doraemon is in different expressions. And you probably know that when you look at this, there's two Doraemon. One is the brown, one is the blue. Blue is the iconic Doraemon. The brown is just like dressing him up for the year of ox, basically. This sneaker is cute. But you see, I think this is lazy. They just put Doraemon sticker on the shoes. I can't. This is stupid. It's like I could have just buy your shoes and get a cartoon character, cut it out, and put it on there. For $6.90, I don't know about that. What else do they have here? Let's take a look. View all. Let's look at some small little goods. This one I kind of like, mini bag for $990. But I'm telling you, if I buy this, they'll probably end up going on sale. It's like, this is ridiculous. But it's cute. I don't know. I haven't bought Gucci bag for a long time. I did buy a couple Gucci bag at outlet before. That was kind of nice. Let's see if any this is available nearby me. What the hell? That's in New York. Anyway, this website's not helping me. Let's see what else they got here. Come on, computer, work. I don't know what I do. I always have to like go to the beginning. I like the sweatshirt. I like this oversized sweatshirt. Oh, beauty case is cute, but for $3,700, I'll probably save that money for Louis Vuitton and then buy a limited piece, and I can probably resell it for the same price after I use for 1 year. You know what? I think this is definitely going to be on sale. It's probably going to be an outlet in a couple months later. Oh my goodness, I can't. This is driving me crazy. All right, let's see what else they have here. Do you see anything you like? I really like the pink Doraemon sweatshirt though. If you want to save money, you can probably get a smaller thing. It's $290. It's the card holder. I've been buying the card holder for my sister's birthday with the Mickey Disney character in there. Let's see. Let's see what else. That's cute. The brown, the pink. And they have a toilet. They have a scarf. So yeah, that's about it. That's all the... Oh, this is kind of cute. Hold please. Ah, it's a sleeveless sweatshirt. You know, in Southern California, sweatshirt is really great to have it. I feel so embarrassing. It's like, here I am. The collaboration is stupid. Who is going to spend that kind of money buying stuff? And here I am with a really large bag. I feel like the reason why I bought this because Doraemon, it's the cartoon character like helped me through a lot in my childhood. I was raised by a single mom and I have 2 sisters, and we were wealthy but lack of a parenting, and it was tough in some way, but Doraemon has helped me through the childhood. And remember I talked about the gadget in the pocket? Oh, this is gonna make me cry. I always dream that, you know, oh, I wish I have that door. I can just think of my mom, open the door and go see my mom in Japan. Because she's single, you know, she had to raise us. So she spent 80% of the time working in Japan while me and my sister in Taiwan. So it's really hard. So I always want that, right? And then she has, Doraemon has this thing, it's called Dragonfly. It's like a little twist thing you put on your head, and you can just fly anywhere you want to. And of course, there's so many. He can time travel. He can do all kind of stuff. I was wishing that I have my own Doraemon to make my life better, but it's cartoon, so that's okay. Okay, my eyes is getting ready to talk about my childhood thing. This is so sad. Let me show you what I bought from Gucci. I love the dressing room. I think the dressing room is prettier than Louis Vuitton dressing room. There's a lot of velvet. There's a lot of deep color, very vibrant. I love it. Look at those color right there, right? Oh, look at the box. And also one more thing I do have to say, Gucci box. It's prettier than the Louis Vuitton box. Oh my god. This is the bowling shirt with a Gucci and Doraemon. It is very, very cute. And like I said, you know, when I buy clothing, I want to make sure that it can last a long time. And I definitely feel that with a good care, this can last for many, many years. It's a very lightweight, short sleeve. It's a loose fit. And it does have a lot of Doraemon's expression. You can see his face. He's happy, he's hungry, he got busted, he's tired, he's laughing, he tripped. There's so many characters, so many faces in there, so I like that. And let's see, this is made in Italy. This is the logo, the label right here, Doraemon collaborations. This is the size 44. It's not available online, but still available in the store. So, and then earlier there's another bag, right? And by the way, this is a very, very lightweight. I can definitely layer with a t-shirt underneath. I probably will fold this a little higher because it's a little bit too long, but it's definitely a summer wear. If I can travel in summertime, this would be so cute. This is my first Gucci hanger. I am so stupid. Why am I so excited about this? But look at this. It's all velvet. Oh my god. So now I have a Gucci. I have a couple Louis Vuittons. I just need Chanel one day. I'm going to work on that right now. But this is it. Like I said, the reason why I bought this is because Doraemon, it means a lot to me. It just feels like part of my childhood. It's with me now. And since I love luxury, it makes sense to have a piece of my memory to always be with me. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video and support my YouTube channel and my Instagram, Mr. Genuine1. And of course, my beauty line, Yibu Beauty. I really can do with all your support, so thank you so much for joining the Yibu Beauty community. It is very important that we start with a community first, and we and myself, we want to promise you that we want to create a product that is what you're looking for, and it's also affordable. But just because it's affordable doesn't mean you're gonna not having the quality, having that experience. Experience is so important to me, right? So I promise you that when the online store is ready, launch, and when you first order your Yibu Beauty product, when you get home, you're gonna be like, oh my god! The experience should be pretty nice. So I really can't wait. And our team is working very hard, so I want to say thank you so much for my Yibu Beauty team. Alright, I will see you guys next week. Bye! Bye, Doraemon!